From the past, even today, it looks like the society is dominated by men. I'm trying to understand why that is in the past, current, and why it feels like that's how the future will be.
Well, you see, by nature's arrangement, different individuals are designed in a different way. Men are meant to be hardworking, more energetic, and more powerful. Therefore, their activities were mostly outside. And the female, by nature, by their physical composition, they are more delicate, they're tender, they're soft. And that's why naturally they had different kind of roles to play. Like, for example, men were more active outside and the women were more active inside the house. So it's not a matter of domination. Like, say, I saw in my childhood, my mother actually dominated the entire household. She was dominating even my father. So it's not a matter of dominating as such. Different individuals playing their respective roles. And you see, when you have a loving relationship, then this question of, who is greater and who is lesser, that question doesn't arise. All these tendencies are developing only recently. And that is because, because of the technical advancement, industrial development, life has become very easy. Like now you just, press a button, the light comes up. Tap a faucet, water comes out. And as a result of that, men and women are practically striding side by side. What man can do, a woman can do. Therefore, the tendency is that why should we take your superiority? The women are feeling that way. And the men are also in their, unpleasant way trying to kind of establish their superiority, and there is this chauvinistic attitude is developing. And the root cause of all that, the relationship has been lost. When there is a loving relationship, then there automatically comes the attitude of serving, attitude of sharing. And when that is there, then, this tendency, who is superior, who is inferior, who is dominating, and so forth, those tendencies will not be there. And similarly, in the eyes of God, everyone is equal. Whoever is surrendering to Him, whoever is submissive to Him, whoever is obedient to Him, the Lord is naturally inclined towards him. So, that tendency to think that, one is superior, one is dominating, other is dominated, these are very, very materialistic attitude. And sooner we get rid of that, the better it is for us.